This is Jerry with another Express solution. Today we have Nathan Grube with BinMaster. Hey, Nathan, how you doing?
Good. How you doing, Jerry?
Doing well. Appreciate you being here.
Absolutely. My pleasure.
Hey, tell us a little bit about BinMaster and your role with the company.
Yeah, BinMaster has been around for about 70 years. We primarily focus on level indicators, inventory measurement systems for any type of storage vessel, whether it would be bulk solids, grain and feed, to liquid tanks like in ag chemicals, molasses, fats, and a feed mill, things like that. I've been with the company for almost 25 years, and I'm an RSM for the Midwest region, basically North Dakota through Texas. So the ag industry is kind of my bread and butter. It should be with that region.
Today we're going to talk about BinMaster radars. Nathan, tell us more about radars and their function.
You bet, Jerry. For a lot of these customers these days, they're looking for something more than just a point level indicator. They're looking for something that's more continuous. They want to know what is in their bin at all times throughout the day as they're emptying and filling their commodities through their storage vessels. Radar has become the gold standard. It continuously reads throughout the day. It is not affected by dust. It's very, very accurate within a few millimeters. And the big thing is it is giving you continuous readings every second throughout the day. Lots of different features. What a radar actually is doing is it's an electromagnetic pulse that's sending the signal through air to the product surface. So we send out a signal out of this lens. It's sending that signal down to the product surface. It'll reflect back off the product surface to the sensor. And so the time it takes for the sensor to go down and then come back up is how we determine the distance that the signal traveled. And then, of course, there's different various outputs that you can wire to different control systems that will convert that distance into pounds, product height, percentage, bushels, etc.
So can you explain to us the difference between some of the models?
Absolutely. So, kind of the Cadillac of all the units would be this device. The NCR86 has a 393-foot sensing range, even in the dustiest of materials. So we're talking flour and grain dust, any kind of feed stuff. They work excellent. They're very stable, very robust. They're going to give you an excellent, accurate reading. We do have some shorter range devices, something that would look like this. We could apply these in shorter range vessels in bulk solids, but these are primarily used in like liquid feed applications, or maybe in an agronomy center where they've got some chemical tanks. These would have a range up to 49 foot. Same type of thing. They can output to different readout displays or different software packages. We can get the readings to the cloud if people want to access that through a website or an app, or if they have their own automation system, they can take an analog 4-20 and push it straight to that PLC or DCS or batching system.
Oh, fantastic. Well, how difficult are they to install, and what kind of power supply do they require?
Yeah, they're relatively easy to install. When you're 50 feet in the air, 100 feet in the air, nothing's ever perfect, but we've got flange mount devices. We offer mounting plates that can easily secure to the roof of the bin, and these can bolt right to that mounting plate. We will supply the bolts in the gasket to make that connection as well. These would be a threaded 1.5 inch in PT connection. Again, we supply the mounting plates to make it easy to mechanically attach it to the bin roof or bin deck. Wiring wise, fairly easy. If you went into a batching system, it's just a 2-wire loop powered 4-20. We also offer a Modbus output where you can daisy chain them back together, like I mentioned earlier, to a gateway or to a computer using a software program. So fairly easy to wire and install. Setup is super easy. These either come with a calibration puck that goes right inside the enclosure to cap off, put the puck in. It's maybe a 2-minute procedure to calibrate. These are very easy to set up. You can put a Bluetooth app on your phone. We call it BinMaster's sensors app, and connect to it Bluetooth. It's really straightforward, simple. You put in a couple parameters, and in a minute, it's calibrated. So they're very user friendly. The technology is amazing. It's been something that's extremely popular and on demand for our customers in your industry, Jerry.
Well, Nathan, thank you for your time today.
Absolutely. It's been my pleasure. Thank you so much, Jerry, and we appreciate your partnership.
For this and other solutions, contact Express Feed and Grain Parts today.